first. What do? We pick the spot that's right for you. Lock the door, click, click, you're in. Privacy time, let's begin. Do your best, take your time. Youth in the bathroom is just fine. Lock the door, click, click, you're in. You are safe, let's begin. When you're done, we clean and flush. Then we wash, wash. Swish, swish, swish. If you stand to use a urinal, here's the rule, it's very simple. Pull the front of your pants down low, not all the way, just the front, go slow. Aim in the bowl, take your time. Keep it neat, you're doing fine. Shake, shake once, shake, shake twice. Put it back, that's very nice. Lock the door, click, click, you're in. Privacy time, let's begin. Do your best, take your time. Use of the bathroom is just fine. Lock the door, click, click, you're in. You are safe, let's begin. When you're done, we clean and flush. Then we wash, fine. Sitting on the toilet, if you poop, you sit right down. Feet on floor, no playing around. When you're done, it's time to wipe. Front to back, that's the type. Wipe again till the paper's clean. That's the cleanest you've ever been. Look in the bowl, what do you see? Time to flush. 1, 2, 3. Press the handle, watch it go. Bye bye poop, down below. Now the most important part. Clean hands help you stay real smart. Wash your hands, soap and water, front and back and in between. Scrub, 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 count to 20. Rinse them off till they are clean. Dry your hands, you're all done. Bathroom time is not so hard. Great job, friend, you did it right. You used the bathroom like a star. You locked the door, you stayed clean. That's the best you've ever been. Next time when your body calls, you know the steps. You've got it all.